I cannot wait to show you what's in this box. What's in it is like my 20th pair of Project Rock shoes. First, let's get a weigh-in. Weigh-in check. All right. Now, this is my 20th pair of rock shoes, and that's probably no exaggeration. Every time he puts one out, I gotta buy 3, 4 colorways of the same shoe. Right now, it's the Project 8, and I already have a pair of Project 8s. These here are like my go-to shoes. I wear these, I keep 2 in the closet. They're right by the front door. When I walk out the door, I'll put a pair of them on. I think I have a pair of Project Rock 7s, and these are my Project Rock 8s. I love them, right? So, backstory on this shoe, besides it being a cool colorway, was his first shoe was called the Delta Rock. I think it came out like 2016. I really wasn't on it. You have to be like a hype beast to do it. I was a hype beast for Jordans, not really for workout shoes. So they were black and yellow. When these came out, I just couldn't get my hands on them. But the Project Rock ones I got, loved them. Wore the shit out of them. Wore them out beyond end. So now, Under Armour and Project Rock put out the black and yellow pair of the Project Rock 8s. I have not seen them yet. They're in this box. I thought I'd give you a raw opening, a smackdown opening for this. First off, the box is like somewhat open. So I don't know if somebody just did this because they were on their way out the door and they said we got to box one more order, so let's do this. But yeah, hopefully the shoe is okay. All right, so we're gonna take a knife, we're gonna open them. I cannot wait to see them. So 2 colorways came out. They're both black and yellow. Oh. One of them is mostly black with a yellow outsole, and then these are yellow with a black outsole. So majority of the shoe is yellow. Backstory is I went to go open the page. The mostly black ones with the yellow outsole was sold out, done. So I said, well, man, you gotta be really brave to wear some yellow shoes, right? I'm a huge fan. Perfect, I'll do it. My brother would wear some stuff like this in a heartbeat. He loves bright yellow colors like this, or just colors in general. So, I can't wait to see what these look like. They're probably bold and loud. Oh, okay, perfect. Typical box. I have about, me and my brother probably have about, no exaggeration, probably about 75 pairs of Jordans. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, all the way up to 14s. Love opening new pair of shoes. It never gets old. I cannot wait to open these up. In the words of my boy Trick Williams, let's talk about it. Typical box, Dwayne Johnson's signature on the top. Blood, sweat, respect. I love it. And that's a quick picture of the shoe. I just cannot wait to get into them and see them in my hand, see how bright they are. Man, let's see. Ooh, we gotta open them up. Oh my goodness. I see the yellow coming through the paper and it's just wow, man. Wow. That's bright. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at that. Oh my stars. These are cold. Love the laces. Come, man, you gotta look at these laces. They're crazy. Man, that is bright yellow. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. One thing I just realized when I looked in here, I forgot that the inside says something. One of my favorite slogans, I love it. We get this shoe tree out of here and it says rent's due every day. Love it, because success is not owned, it's rented, and rent is due every day. Dopeness, dopeness, love it. Project Rock on the toe, love it. Love it. It's gonna fit in nice with my other 55 pairs, whatever it is. I think it's like 20 some pairs. But yeah, you know what? Let me just show y'all the rest of the pairs. All right, here we go. Got all my rock shoes. Yeah, this tub is filled to the brim with just Project Rock shoes. There might be a couple stupid ones in there. There's some Vans in there. 99% of this is Project Rock shoes. Let me show you. So here we go, man. Some of these I've not seen since I started buying these when they first started coming out. So some of these, man, I'm not seeing them forever. Wow. Let me see. Don't ask me the number of none of these. I don't know it. Love these. They got the Hawaiians on the front, the Hawaiian pattern on the front. I'm not gonna put it on my kitchen counter. These I love because it's the lightning joints. What's the movie called? Darren Rock, don't hate me. What are these shoes called? Black Adam. Black Adam joints. Love them. See what else you got in here. Oh my God, man. I think these are the two. These are just one of my favorites, simply. The twos, most comfortable. They have the little sock lining. Loved it, man. Like I said, I can go all the way down here to the ones. These right here, man, love them. I think it's one of my first shoes that I ever bought from The Rock, and I was so excited when it came in. I loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it. I mean, the soles are yellowed. I would love to get a new pair of these if Under Armour releases them. Love to do it. Man, these are new. They just happen to be at the bottom of the bin for some reason. These two. These I wear every holiday. You know, 4th of July, Memorial Day, President's Day, whatever. Love it. Yeah, man. So like I said, I got a big bin of them. Love the Project Rock series, and I'll probably buy them forever. As long as they keep making them, I'll keep on buying them. It's engraved in me, so let's do it. Look at this. Oh my God, these are nice. I haven't worn these in forever. Oh man, look at these. I can't tell you how many miles I put in these, man. I need to just machine wash this whole bin, but it's all right. That's the video. Man, I feel inspired today now. We do the same shit every day. We lift weights, we eat clean. We hear almost the same music down there every day. It's really hard for me to take a song off of my gym playlist. I think it's like 4 hours. Having new workout gear, having new headphones, these kind of things kind of bring up the monotony of doing the same workouts every day. So, new shoes, I'm inspired. Let's go get a sick ass pump. What time is it? Yeah, we got time to get a sick ass pump. See you at the gym, big dog.